Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jilla rakam sangma haka khat kendai terik unai weng arhajar upsau ulaong baka sorkar kan Pyrshang ya ke hatam nak benta ban Thawlad Thawlenti halor ki Jingdawa bala penpau ki kenhun baper jo ki Nonghikai bat kentup ru ki Nonghikai School SSA haka Jilla haka jingekran bagila pathai kubor rakam ulaong ba ka kam kala ban kham shimpor Handai ka sorkar kan le Katba banwat ikilat kilinti namar ba ki Nonghikai ki dei ki basakri nak benta ka bha kamiat jong ki khana school hapo ka jilla.
Just reached from Garvis just now, and I don't know the outcome. Let me sit with my officers. But look, the process takes time always, because no any process become materialized at one time. No, it is not. The process has to be followed. Definitely, it takes time, right? It takes time, but the government is doing all possible means and ways to find a solution for all kind of category of teachers, because there are people they are serving our state only, right? So the state should progress only with the collective efforts, collective contribution of the teachers, the parents, the governance, of all the stakeholders. So together, yes, I think sometimes it is not that the state can become unique with contribution of some particular community. No, it's not. So altogether, with the teacher, with the governments, with any stakeholder, should be united in contributing best what they have. This is what the government is also doing it. These things are policy matter. It is not, but we have the door are opened, because we have given the upper age level up to 45 years if they're qualified. If they're qualified, it doesn't mean all the SSC teacher will be absorbed on this policy, but this is one of the steps. So, all this are open, because look, there are new entrants also, right? So, but we have the door is bigger open for each one of them. So let's check. Okay, the numbers is already in the seal, so that will be the numerical will be out only on 2030. You have to wait for that.